In this day and age with cameras everywhere, you gotta be crazy to mess around, especially when my team is on the hunt. I get tons of emails from you guys wanting me to help you find out if your boyfriend or girlfriend is faithful. And guess what? I'm gonna help you all. I'm gonna send my surveillance team all across the country right to my clients to do surveillance, video, audio, drone, you name it. We're gonna find out if they're cheating. And once they send the evidence back to me, then it's time for the confrontation. Yes, the confrontation right here on my channel. Stay tuned for the hunt. What's going on, you young little bounty hunters? It's Bounty Hunter D. Check it out. I'm going to be on Twitch tonight playing my favorite game at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. My name on Twitch is The Real Bounty Hunter D. I'm the only real Bounty Hunter D on there, so if you're following a Bounty Hunter D, it sure isn't me. The Real Bounty Hunter D, follow me on Twitch tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be playing my favorite game. Of course, y'all know what that is. I might play a little bit extra games too, but check me out. Check this out too. If I get about, let me get 5,000 followers to see my cam, right? I'm gonna have my cam on if I get 5,000 followers to watch during the live stream. Check me out, holla at your boy today. Yes, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, The Real Bounty Hunter D. Check me out, watch me body cats. Yes, see y'all there.
James, you good, bro? Pick up, I got these folks right here. Yo, James, you good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we just made a U-turn. I'm not sure where we going, but it looks like they probably finna pull into Walmart. I'm not sure.
What they going to Walmart for?
Oh no, wait, hold on.
Okay, they going into Walmart?
They just pulled into Walmart.
Is which Walmart? Is it the one off of Marsh?
Baker.
Okay.
Yeah, off of Baker.
I know exactly which one you're talking about.
Yeah.
What's inside Walmart?
Who knows, man, but it's a lot of traffic over here right now.
Well, I mean, they do. What? I mean, they do got a pharmacy in Walmart.
You be tripping me out making excuses for these folks. You know what's going on. But, you know, we want to stay on the positive side. Who knows? You never know. I can't tell if it's somebody else in the other seat. It's dark out here.
Okay.
But we finna see what's up.
But so far, so good. We ain't seen nothing crazy, right?
Nothing crazy right now. It look like they trying to find a spot right now.
Well, dude.
Y'all good?
Yeah, we
How
good.
far y'all away?
Well, if it's the one you talking about, we only about like 5 minutes away.
Oh, y'all right up the street. Okay. All right, cool. All right. I'll call y'all back. Once I, get an update on what's going on. Cause like I said, I only see one head in the car.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let you know.
That'll work.
Yes, sir. Okay. Well, what I'm excited about, because, I told you we typically follow folks around for a week to 2 weeks, because in that time, generally speaking, you can tell. Now, I know you've been feeling a little bit suspicious. We haven't really seen anything, to be honest with you, to give us, a definitive.
You've seen them together though, right?
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know if it's a coworker. I don't know. It could be, sometimes they tease me and say I'm a little bit too optimistic, but it could be a lot of things. So as long as everything is what it is this evening, this is good news. This is good news. And so as soon as he called me back, we'll either get the green light to go over and, I guess, I don't know if you want to, because do you really want your boyfriend to know that you want him to know?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need him to know that I know what he's been doing, and I want to find out.
But again, we don't know for sure yet. So, if it works out and is positive and he's faithful, again, it's totally up to you. We can keep this silent and he don't never have to know we were surveilling him, or if you want us to approach the situation and let him know, high five, this is proof that you a good dude, whatever you want to do.
He'll definitely find out tonight.
Okay, so you want us to?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
How long you guys been together?
It's been about 7 years.
So, ooh, 7 years. 7. Are y'all engaged?
Not engaged.
7 years?
But yes,
7 years and you ain't engaged?
7 years. Yes, I've dealt with this for 7 years.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see what a...
Hey, James, he just opened the door for somebody. I can't see. They just hugged each other. Yeah, it's a lady in there. We already know the game. Yeah.
Okay, but you know friends hug.
Nah, they holding. Are they holding? They arm in arm, man.
They arm in arm?
Yeah, he might be a little sweet. His pants all up, high up. But nah, maybe not. I mean, he got 2 women that he dealing with. Yeah, let me go get a closer look. I'm trying to see. Let me see if I can get a better look at this lady.
Maybe he running the errand for his boss.
Man, she got on a green wig, a greenish wig.
A green wig, okay.
Yeah.
That's
Sounds like someone I know.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Walking into a Walmart. They're walking to Walmart right now. I'm gonna just sit here and actually, you know what? I'm gonna go park back by their car.
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna just sit right here and see when they come back out, because they can't come out another way. And I'll let y'all know what happened. I ain't gonna let them leave. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna let you talk to her. But she had on a green wig though, so yeah.
Okay.
All right.
For your sake, I'm really hoping that it is something that, you know, he can explain, that makes sense, that actually has like, okay, it did look a little fishy, but now that you said, you feel what I'm saying? Because look, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the part of my job that I like the least. You know, I'm glad that we're able to help people find the truth, but I don't take joy in when it comes out that someone been cheated on, because I know that that's very difficult for people to deal with. It's a lot of hurt, a lot of, you know, things that people, you know, it messes with people's lives. Oh, here we go. Hello.
Hey, James, they came back out. They out right now.
Have they left yet?
Nah, they ain't left yet. They walking back to the car. Let me head back over there by their car.
Okay.
Yeah, I might as well come on. I don't know what they finna do.
Okay, we're gonna head on our way. Just whatever you do, don't let them leave.
All right, I got you.
All right, cool.
I gotta come up with something. I don't even know what to say to these folks. Just try and get them to stay. Just don't leave. Just don't leave. Hold on, wait, hold on. Hey, do I know y'all? Y'all look familiar. Marvin? Nah, you my cousin. You look. Hold on, let me get out the car. Hold on, let me get out the car. Let me see. Come on. Anyways, we're doing this game with YouTubers where we play games with faithful couples. We give them $100 if they're faithful, right? Okay. And we saw y'all. We think y'all be good contestants. We on the left side of Walmart. You see me? Would y'all like to play? Easy $100. $100 per app.
Okay.
$100 per app. All right, come on. Come on. Y'all ready?
Oh, no.
Hey, how y'all doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, sir? J Love, how you doing? Pleasure to meet you. So, do you know this young lady right here?
This is my girlfriend.
This your girlfriend? So who is this? Who is this lady right here?
My sister. Who are you? What
Why
you
are you
doing
here with him? Why are you guys together? What are you
I
doing at Walmart?
I needed a ride. What you
Can you
mean?
explain why you need a ride? Why didn't you call me? I called you earlier. I've been calling you. You supposed to be at work. Why aren't you at work? What's going on?
Yeah, why aren't you at work?
Explain to me what's going on.
Can we explain?
That's what's
Whoa!
going on.
What?
Oh! Hold on! Wait, hold on! Oh, not the wig! Not the wig! Oh!
My sister! Yeah! 7 years! What?
Wait!
Hold on, y'all. Y'all don't need to be fighting on TV.
Hold on!
Oh my God!
Wow!
My own sister!
That's sad.
Somebody had to do it right.
Oh!
That's weak. That's weak. Hold on. Oh, she didn't hit her with the wig. Come on, man. What you mad at me for?
Wait! Why you hugging up on his sister? You hold on. You've been with her for 7 years.
Yeah, and
Really?
but I've been
Really?
there.
Really?
You've been-
So this is how you gonna do it.
She got the money, you got the place to stay. So I got the best of both worlds.
Boom! Oh my God! Oh,
Yeah, get him, get him.
Oh my God.
Get his ass. Get his ass.
Oh.
Get his ass.
Hold on.
Hold on, wait.
Wow, really?
Hold on.
We gotta get out the road. We gotta get out.
What you doing?
She said fake fur. Hold on, get
Hold
out
on,
the
let's
road.
get out the road.
Get out
Let's
the
get out
road.
the
Please
road.
get out the road.
Wait,
Please get out the road, y'all.
No.
Hold on. Wait. Wait, that's your
Hold on.
sister.
Wait, let's get an
That's your
explanation.
sister.
Hold on, let's get an
That's your
explanation. Let's get an explanation.
That's my name. At the end
Look,
of the
man,
day.
hold on.
Still got
Thank
this
you.
ring,
Hold-
fake
hold
ring,
on.
yeah. And you
Where
guys
my
can
ring
go
at?
ahead and do what
Okay,
you do.
let's get
What
an
is going
explanation.
on? What's going
I'm so
on?
confused. Hold on. Let's get an
Have to
explanation.
say it's fine.
What do you have to say for
He's
yourself?
supposed to be at work and she's not.
What do you have to say for yourself? You've been with her for 7 years. Be a man and hold on. Let him tell you.
Well, I was in a situation where I was looking at her, I was with you, but you know, it just ain't there.
Okay.
Again, this like my ghetto girl.
Your ghetto girl.
My ghetto girl.
She
but you know
finna
what?
whoop your ass. Oh, I don't know if she like that or not. I don't know.
This ghetto for me. So this home. That's home for
That's
me.
what-
Yeah.
You know what? It really don't even matter because you know what? I'm in love with Adam.
What?
What?
I'm in love with Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
Adam who?
Oh,
Adam.
Keisha?
No, ain't no
What you
Adam.
saying?
hold on. Hold on.
Adam. Look, this is what Adam had me doing.
What-
Let me show you.
Ain't no way.
Hold on.
Ain't no way.
Hold on.
Ain't no
I'm so
way.
confused.
Ain't no way.
With my wig.
Yeah.
And this what you want to cheat on?
Boy, you about to be ashamed of yourself.
You got me in my
Hold on.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
This is what we do.
bitch. Let's be
Hold on.
business.
Hey, wait. Hold on.
Hold on.
Wait. Hold on. I need it.
Hold on, not the wig.
Hold on.
Not the wig.
Hold on.
You can have him.
Hold on.
You need to figure out
I just
what we
need an
gonna do with it.
explanation. Oh, Nick, wait. Wait. Nick.
You
Hold.
right.
I can have whoever I want. I had
There you
y'all.
go. You
I
supposed
got
to be
everyone.
my son with this man.
This is embarrassing.
You want to bring me with this man, y'all?
It's embarrassing, but it's life though.
Y'all to be my sister.
Man, give me my keys, man.
Keep it in the family. That's
Give
all
me
we
my
gotta do. Keep
keys,
it in the
man.
family.
Take your man.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself, man. Like for real.
It is what it is.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Thank you. Get,
I am perplexed.
thank you.
I understand. I am a very good
Hold
looking
on.
piece of caramel.
Can you get him away?
This man hugged up on me and just rubbed my chest.
Just go on about your business. I don't know if that's your car. I don't know
D.
what y'all finna do.
I don't know what to do. Johnny, I'm so lost right now. I don't know how
you
to
acting
feel.
a plumb fool
I mean,
over that
I
man.
don't,
You didn't have this energy when he
give me a second.
We grew up together. Why would you
I'm
do this to your
sorry.
little
That's
Okay.
what I'm trying to figure out.
Hold on.
Sorry.
I'm your little
So-
sister though.
Have
You wanted him.
you seen enough?
I don't want to talk. Yes, I'm done.
Sorry.
Thank
Okay,
y'all. I'm done. I don't want to. I'm good.
I'm
It's okay.
sorry. You
Yeah, she don't want to deal with you. She don't want to deal with you.
Sure. Sure.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah, you can
Cameras out. I don't.
you can walk over there. You can that this man rubbed it on my chest. He grabbed my arm.
Hey, that's low key a flex. You could get the women and the dudes, but I don't know how you.
Yo, hold on. Pause. This man rubbed it up on my chest, it says, and grabbed my arm like we was in a relationship. Okay, look.
Are you gonna be okay? Like I know that's.
How come nobody asking me if I'm gonna be okay? And nobody, I need some counseling, some therapy.
So the big question,
what is it called?
is,
Xanax, NyQuil,
so
Benadryl.
I want to see if she gonna be able to forgive her sister. Are
Some
you gonna be able to
tussin.
find it in your heart to forgive your sister?
I can't. I don't want to talk.
Why nobody asking me if I'm gonna forgive?
Right now, I can't.
I need to do some
So you're not
some
gonna take him back
forgiveness.
though? That's the big question. You're not gonna take him
need-
back?
Adam, no. I
Look,
Okay, because we
My
done seen a
name
lot
ain't
of people
Adam.
go back. You know
Why
what I'm
he
saying?
touching me like I'm
sorry it
Adam?
happened like this.
I ain't Adam, Steve, Ron, Gil.
Yeah. Okay.
He gay. My sister pulled up on us at Walmart, man. Come pick me up, man. I can't stand. He gay. He got a boyfriend named Adam. Adam.
He. Okay, I'm not Adam. Just so we're clear. Okay.
And then my sister pulled up on us at Walmart.
Are you Adam?
I am absolutely not Adam. No judgment though.
Can you come?
No. Yeah.
I need a ride.
So
She don't
yeah, I
want
like
to
you.
ride.
Hey.
Nah, man.
But-
I don't want to ride with you.
Okay.
Go with your boyfriend, with your in his mink
Well, that ain't my boyfriend. Well, he got.
No, I am not his. No. No. I'm not his boyfriend. No. No. You brought him here. You was with him.
You brought him here.
No. You did. You brought him
You
here.
brought her here, y'all here, so you can take.
So who you mad at? Who you really mad at?
All of y'all.
You mad at all us? Cause of
Yeah,
what?
y'all didn't have to be pulling
Because of
up
who
on us.
decision? Who made the decision
It
though?
don't matter who made the
It
decision.
do
Y'all
matter.
didn't have no right to just be pulling up on us like that. And then you got a boyfriend.
Yeah, I love him.
And then you gonna wear my wig. Is you wearing my panties and bras too?
Thongs.
Oh Lord.
I don't even know what to say. So we got
No.
Oh no, go on. Listen, it ain't worth it.
Go home.
It ain't worth it.
It's
It
just
ain't
go
worth it.
home.
Right?
Just go home. Go home. Drink some tea.
Listen, y'all,
Take a hot
listen,
bubble
y'all
bath.
mama is going. When she
We
see
will
this,
check on you.
Like you cool with how you acting? You acting a plum
I'm
fool
sorry
on
that this how it
television.
went down.
Man.
I'm sorry.
I don't wanna be
Go
up
home.
here.
We gonna take care. Go home.
At the end of the day,
And
y'all brought him
I
up
know
here.
you got some
And
things
then
to
you
think
talking about
about.
you gotta give me $100.
I'm pretty sure he
Where's
got
my
stuff
money
at your
at?
You
house.
ain't do the thing.
Okay. Look, before this
And you
get out of
still tryna-
control, go home. Drive
Lord have
safely.
mercy.
Like I said, drink yourself some hot tea, maybe a bubble bath, some incense, couple candles.
Lord have
Listening
mercy.
to some Marvin Gaye, something. On behalf of Bounty Hunter D and Jami,
Lord have mercy.
this Cheaters Worldwide. It's your boy J Love.
It's your boy Jifa. I'm on Instagram, Gito81, GIDO81.
Instagram at J Love Official. It's the coat. I think that's what it is. It's the coat. You know what I mean? It was the coat that people want to touch it all the time. You know what I mean? He wasn't trying to rub up on me.
He definitely was trying to rub up on you.
No, it's the coat, man. Everybody who just walk by just want to touch the coat. So it's soft. It's really soft. Like if those of you watching, you would want to, if you walk past me and it just brush you, you just want to hug up on me.
That's what it is.
And just because this thing, you know, I call it my big black bear. You understand me? AKA my Diddy. Pause. 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 I'm gonna go home before this. I'm just, y'all, man, whatever.